Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Android phone's IMEI number. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap About Phone or About Device, depending on your phone model. Next, tap Status, Phone Information, or IMEI Information to view your device's IMEI number. You can also find your IMEI by opening the phone app and dialing number 06#. Your IMEI number will appear on the screen instantly without making a call. If your phone has a removable SIM tray, you may also find the IMEI printed on the SIM tray or on the sticker attached to the back of the device, depending on the manufacturer. And that's it, you've successfully found your Android phone's IMEI number. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.